Have a good day everyone. Welcome back to Mathhartics Filipino channel. On this video, I am going to teach you how to factor polynomials with common monomial factor. The steps are, the first one is to find the greatest common factor or GCF of the terms in the polynomial. So the GCF will be our first factor. Our next step is to divide each term by the GCF to get the other factor. Let us have an example. Let us factor 6x squared minus 6y. The first step is to find the greatest common factor or GCF of 6x squared and negative 6y. In my previous video, I showed you how to get the greatest common factor of a set of polynomials. So kapag hindi pa po natin kabisado yung pagkuha ng GCF ng polynomials, pwede po ninyong balikan yung akin pong video. And here, the GCF of 6x squared and negative 6y is equal to 6 because 6 is the largest number that is common to 6x squared and negative 6y. At yung 6 na to, ito ang ating first factor. And to get the second factor, we are going to divide each term by the GCF, which is 6. So, we will divide 6x squared and negative 6y by 6. So, 6x squared divided by 6, the answer is x raised to 2. And negative 6y divided by 6, the answer is negative y. And x squared minus y is our second factor. So we can say that the factor of 6x squared minus 6y is equal to 6 times the quantity of x squared minus y. Let us have example number 2. 8x squared plus 16x cubed minus 32x raised to 6. So the first step is to find the GCF of the terms 8x squared, 16x cubed, and negative 32x raised to 6. And the GCF of these terms is 8x raised to 2. Step 2 is to divide each term by the GCF. So, we are going to divide 8x squared plus 16x cubed minus 32x raised to 6 by 8x squared, which is the GCF. So, 8x squared divided by 8x raised to 2, the answer is 1. Next, 16x cubed divided by 8x squared, the answer is positive 2x. And then we have negative 32x raised to 6 divided by 8x raised to 2, the answer is negative 4x raised to 4. And this is our second factor. This one. 1 plus 2x minus 4x raised to 4. Therefore, the factor of 8x squared plus 16x cubed minus 32x raised to 6 are 8x squared and 1 plus 2x minus 4x raised to 4. And we have example number 3. We have 9x raised to 4 plus 27x cubed y minus 63x raised to 5y raised to 2. The factors of this polynomial are 9x raised to 3 and x plus 3y minus 7x squared y squared. So, papaano po nakuha yung sagot na ito? Gagayahin lang po natin yung steps sa dalawang halimbawa na nauna. So, the first step is we are going to get the GCF of each term. So, the GCF of 9x raised to 4, 27x cubed y, and negative 63x raised to 5y raised to 2 is 9x raised to 3. Then, we are going to divide this polynomial by the GCF, and it will result to x plus 3y minus 7x raised to 2, y raised to 2. Kaya po nakuha yung sagot na 9x raised to 3 times the quantity of x plus 3y minus 7x raised to 2, y raised to 2. And that's it for now. Thank you so much po for watching. Kung inyo pong nagustuhan ang aking video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Pwede rin po kayong mag-comment sa comment box kung may clarifications po kayo regarding my video. Thank you so much po.